This is the X22 instruction video, and it will bring you into the flying world. Take the X22 to an outdoor open space. Install a propeller stand. Cloud platform and the camera. Then insert the battery. Get ready, let's start. Turn on the aircraft and then turn on the remote control. Pull down the rocker. When the remote control issued a beep sound, wait 3 to 4 seconds. The remote control issued 2 beep beep sound. The aircraft's lights are flashing slowly, meaning the frequency is successful. Pay attention when you're receiving the GPS signal. You should make sure the aircraft is in the open space. After the frequency is completed, the aircraft is searching for satellite signals. It requires about 40 to 60 seconds. When the number of satellite signals on the remote control display flashes and the star collection is successful, the prompt of the remote control beep sounded. The number of satellites on the remote control will be constantly on, and the light of the aircraft will change from blinking to lasting bright. Then GPS is now connected, and the aircraft can be used normally. Compass calibration. Pull the throttle rocker to the lower left corner and push the joystick to the upper right corner. The aircraft light gets into flash status after 1 second. With a beep sound, the remote control enters the compass calibration state, then smoothly rotates the aircraft on the hand and rotates slowly 3 times clockwise. The aircraft head slowly turns clockwise 3 times. Then place the aircraft on the horizontal surface for about 25 seconds. The light changes from blinking to long bright, and the remote controller emits 5 beep sounds, which is successfully calibrated. Gyroscope calibration. Place the aircraft on a level ground and push the throttle rocker to the upper left corner. Pull the direction rocker to the lower right corner. The remote controller emits a beep sound after 2 seconds, and the light of the aircraft changes from constant to fast blinking. About 3 seconds later, the remote controller issued 5 beep sound. The aircraft light became steady, and the calibration was successful. Pushing up the left rocker, then the aircraft up and pulling it down to lower the aircraft. Pulling it to the left, then the aircraft counterclockwise rotation, and pushing it right to counterclockwise rotation. Pushing up the right rocker, then the aircraft will fly forward. Pulling down, fly backward. To push it left for flying to the left, and push right to the right. Angle button. This button is the up and down tuning keys of the cloud platform. Pushing up the cloud platform angle upwards, and pushing down the cloud platform angle downwards. The speed switch button. Press this button, and after hearing 2 beep beep sound, it will enter the high-speed flight state. Press the button again and hear 1 beep sound. Switch into low-speed flight status. The landed button. After a long press of 2 seconds, the remote controller will make a beep sound, then the aircraft will automatically land. The center circle button is the one-touch return button. Press this button. It will always issue a beep beep sound, and then press cancel to return. The top is the camera button. The bottom is the video button. Press this key to start the headless mode. First, you will hear 2 beep beep sound from the remote controller. After that, the beep beep sound will be lasting. After the aircraft is started up, the camera light is green and start to work, and a Wi-Fi signal is sent out. The cloud platform starts the self-test. After about 14 seconds, the cloud platform starts working and resets automatically. The tilt angle can be adjusted through the app or the remote controller. After the compass calibration is completed, click to enter the app interface. First, you should ensure that the network is normal. At this time, the app will automatically download the map according to your location. After that, open the Wi-Fi option. Connect the device Wi-Fi hotspot. Pull the rocker like this at the same time to unlock the motor. Pull up the left rocker. Takes off your aircraft. After takeoff of the aircraft, release the rocker and the aircraft will automatically hover and enter GPS positioning. Click the follow icon. The aircraft automatically rotates to the front with the direction of your mobile phone. When you move, the aircraft will move along with you. Press the button again. The following mode is cancelled. After the cancellation of the following function, the return point will be reset at the position of cancelling the following. Click the surrounding icon. Then, set the parameters around the point. Determine and send. The aircraft will fly to the point of the map set, and then fly around the center point. Default surround, the radius is 30 meters. Click the waypoint icon. You can draw any waypoint on map. After confirming the waypoint, click Send. The aircraft first flies to the first set point and then follows the waypoint to make a trajectory flight. Click the Headless Mode icon or the button on the remote control. The aircraft does not divide the head and tail. You can easy to turn it back. Through GPS positioning function, X22 realizes intelligent, low power, and lost connection. Press the return key. The aircraft will start the GPS positioning and return, while the remote control keeps on making noise until it accurately returns. When the power is lower than 30%, the light will change from long bright to fast flash, and it will return to the range of 30 meters high and 5 meters radius. At this time, the radius limits a flying range to 60 meters. While the aircraft is returning within 5 meters, the remote controller will always issue a beep beep sound. And when it returns within 5 meters, the remote control sound will stop. If the aircraft power is less than 10%, it returns automatically to the takeoff point. That's all. Enjoy your flight.